What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to show you a couple things. First, a very easy way to install individual braids for those of you who have issues with grip or whatever. And I'm also going to show you how I make her hair look more full than it actually is. So first, I'm going to use this Curl Piece hair and scalp butter. I'm gonna be honest, I'm really not impressed with this product. I don't like it, honestly. I'm just using it because I bought it and I'm trying to give it a chance because I've only used it a couple times, but so far I'm just really not impressed with it. And then I'm going to use the Twisting and Braiding Grip Glaze from the same line. Now I do like this product. This is one of my favorite products to kind of get that slick look in ponytail styles. So I do like this product. And as you can see here, you can see a lot of her scalp. I did very large sections and I did that on purpose, and they're very loose. So that is because I don't want a lot of tension on her scalp. Maya's hair cannot take tension. It will just come out. So I have to do her braids pretty loose. So I know it looks, you know, a little old because I'm doing them so loose, but I'm doing that to, you know, protect her scalp and keep her hair healthy and flourishing. So anyway, I'm going to start out by twisting her hair, just doing a simple 2-strand twist. This is going to help any of you who have a hard time gripping. So I do her hair in a twist, and then I take the crochet hair and I just simply start braiding. So I use the 2 pieces of the crochet hair, and then her hair will be the 3rd piece to make the braid. And then once I pass her hair, I redistribute the hair to make sure that it's secure, and I tie a knot at the end. And that is it. You really don't even have to grip because it's already kind of pulled taut because you twisted it first. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I just start braiding. I don't do nothing special. She's only going to keep these in for probably 2 weeks, at the most 3 weeks. But like I said, her hair can't take a lot of pulling and tugging and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the rest of that little small section, and then I'm gonna show you something that I do to make the braids look more full so that you don't see so much of her scalp because her hair is so fine. A lot of times, even my hair is very fine, and sometimes I can't wear braids because you see too much of my scalp. I look bald. So it's the same thing with her. So I'm gonna show you this little trick I use to make her braids look fuller. And all I do is I take the same crochet hair and I crochet small pieces at the base of the braids. And you can add as much hair or as little hair as you like to get that however full you want it to get. By the way, I'm using the Freetress Water Wave in the color 1B. So this is one of my favorites, which Freetress brand is the only crochet hair that I use actually. So yeah, I'm going to take a small section and I'm just going to crochet it right at the base of the braids to make the hair look a lot more full. And this is really simple. You just push the crochet through, put the hair on the hook, pull it back under the braid. Sorry, she moved out of frame. And you just pull the hair through to make a knot. just showing you a couple ways to style it. That would be cute, or you could do a half up, half down, would be cute with like a side ponytail, or you could pull this all up into one ponytail. It kind of looks like a high puff when you pull it all up into one ponytail. So these braids are very versatile and very low maintenance, very low maintenance. For her edges, I'm going to use the Eco Style Gel, the olive oil kind, and that is it. That is the whole style. Easy 1 hour braids. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.